In this video, you'll learn how to connect a Cloudflare managed domain to your server. We'll go through the full process inside the Cloudflare dashboard, step by step, so that by the end, your domain will point to your server correctly and take advantage of Cloudflare's protection and performance features. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard in your browser. Once you're in, you'll see a list of the domains you've added to Cloudflare. Click on the domain you want to connect to your server. This will open that domain's overview page. On the left-hand side, look for the DNS section in the sidebar and then click on Records. This is where you manage how your domain and its subdomains point to different servers on the internet. We're going to add two key records here, a root record for the main domain and a www record so that both versions of your site work properly. Let's start with the root record, sometimes called the apex record. This is what makes example.com, without anything in front, go to your server. At the top of the DNS records list, click the button that says Add Record. You'll see a form where you can choose the record type. If your hosting provider gave you a numeric IP address, something that looks like 4 sets of numbers separated by dots, choose A as the type. If instead they gave you a host name, such as a URL-like address rather than a number, choose CNAME as the type. The choice here depends entirely on what your server details look like. Next, in the name field, type the @ symbol. This single character represents your root domain, so it stands in for the full domain name without any subdomain added. In the IPv4 address or target field, paste the server address your host provided. If you selected an A record, this will be the numeric IP address. If you selected a SNAME, this will be the host name they gave you. Below that, you'll see the proxy status. Make sure this is set to proxied, which is shown with an orange cloud icon. Keeping it proxied means your traffic is routed through Cloudflare, giving you features like DDoS protection, caching, and other security benefits. When everything looks correct, click Save to create the root record. Now let's add the www record so that visitors who type www before your domain also end up on the same site. Again, click the Add Record button. This time set the type to CNAME. In the name field, type www. This creates the common www version of your site. For the target field, type the @ symbol again. By pointing www to @, you're telling Cloudflare that the www version should follow whatever you set for the main root domain. Once again, check the proxy status and make sure it's set to proxied with the orange cloud enabled. So this traffic also benefits from Cloudflare's protection. When you're done, click Save. At this point, you've added both the root record and the www record, and both are pointing to your server through Cloudflare. DNS changes can take a little time to fully propagate, so give it a few minutes, then visit your domain in a browser to confirm everything is working.